Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Mrs. Zarina Aslam, Subject Specialist of Pakistan Studies at Divisional Public School and Inter-College, Sahiwal. I welcome you all in today's online class. Dear students, hope you will be fine. Let's start our today's lesson. Chapter number 1, Physical State of Earth. Today, we will study about types of volcanism. Learning objectives of today's lesson. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to first define volcanism, second, enlist the types of volcanoes, explain types of volcanoes with the help of different examples. Let me think about volcanism. The eruption of hot semi-solid matter, magma, as shown over here. It comes outside. The eruption of hot semi-solid matter, magma, from the surface of Earth is known as volcanism. Magma. What is coming in your mind about magma as shown over here in this picture? The term magma for molten rock that is underground. Magma is a molten or semi-molten natural material from which all igneous rocks are formed, and gases are also involved over here. Here there is a magma chamber from where magma comes out. As shown over here, it is present in underground. Then molten rock that we have already discussed about, that magma which is present underground. Magma is found beneath the surface of the earth. But now we are going to discuss about another term is lava. Lava for molten rock. You can see over here. The molten rock that breaks through the surface of the earth. It shows that molten material that comes out on the surface of the earth. This is called lava. When molten material present under the surface of the earth, then this is called magma. When it comes out on the surface of the earth is called lava. During this process, the underground volcanic magma comes out on the surface of the earth. In the form of lava. When it reached on the surface of the earth, it is called lava. In this process, different rocky material and gases are involved over here. You can see over here magma, and this is lava. Now you have a clear understanding about difference between magma and lava. Types of volcanoes. Types of volcanoes. Number 1, active volcanoes. Number 2, dormant volcanoes. Number 3, extinct volcanoes. This is an active volcanoes, as shown over here. Active means, what is coming in your mind? Active. Active volcanoes. An erupting of volcano is an active volcano that is having an eruption. It shows magma comes out on the surface of the earth. So this is called active volcanoes. The volcanoes in which the volcanism continues are known as active volcanoes. These volcanoes often keep on erupting lava. Keep on erupting lava, as shown over here. Now we are going to discuss about the example. The first example we are going to discuss about the Mount Fuji. The question is, where is Mount Fuji? Mount Fuji is located in the country of Japan. Japan is the world. Northern hemisphere is found in the Eastern Asia. Honshu is a main Japanese island, which is where Mount Fuji is. Mount Fuji is located extremely close to the capital of Tokyo. Tokyo is the capital of Japan. Example of active volcano is Mount Fuji. It is located in Japan. This is an example of active volcano. It's keep on erupting lava. Another example we are going to discuss about active volcano, Mount Vesuvius. Next, we are going to discuss about the second type of volcanoes is dormant volcanoes. You can see over here the dormant volcanoes. What is coming to mind about the dormant? A long period has gone since the eruption of lava from dormant volcanoes. It shows that there is no evidence the eruption of lava is there. But volcanism can occur anytime in these volcanoes. Such volcanoes are very dangerous, as shown over here. It can burst like a bomb or like everything which is dangerous for us. So here the dormant volcanoes, there is no evidence that eruption of lava is there, but after some times lava can erupt anytime in these volcanoes. So that's why these volcanoes are very dangerous for us, because we are not prepared for it. Next, examples of dormant volcanoes. First example is Mount Adziza in Canada. The second one, Mount Kea in Hawaii, the United States. Western Victorian volcanic plains in Australia. These are the examples of the main examples of the dormant volcanoes in the world. Next, you can see about the dormant volcanoes. First one, there is no evidence for lava erupting. In second stage, there is, you can see over here, some smoke is appearing over here. But in the last stage, it can burst. It shows lava can erupt anytime. So that's why we can say these volcanoes are very dangerous. We don't know about when will erupt lava from these volcanoes. Number 3, extinct volcanoes. You can see over here. Extinct volcanoes has not had an eruption of at least 10,000 years, as not expected to erupt again in a comparable time scale of the future. Extinct volcanoes are those which have not erupted in human history. In some volcanoes, the eruption of lava has stopped, as shown over here. There is no evidence for eruption of lava, and there are no chances of eruption of lava in future. These are known as extinct volcanoes. Now we are going to discuss about different examples of extinct volcanoes. There are so many extinct volcanoes in the world, but now today we are going to discuss in few numbers. First one is Palo, rich in Philippine Sea. The second one is the Nut in Tasmania, Australia. Next one we are going to discuss about to revise these 3 types of volcanoes. The first one we have already discussed about the active volcano. As its name, active magma chamber. It shows magma is present over here and it starts to move outside in the form of lava. It has reached on the earth's surface. Its mean active volcano is there. Eruption of lava is there. In the second category is a dormant. Dormant means sleeping. It means like we have to just sleep and awake after some time. So you can see about you can see this condition on dormant volcanoes. Magma chamber slowly filling. It's mean once lava has stopped to come outside, but with the passage of times, maybe magma has started to fill it and then starts to comes out on the earth's surface. So that's why these type of volcanoes are very dangerous. We don't know when will erupt. The third category is extinct volcanoes. Inactive magma chamber. You can see over here, nothing is there. Magma is not present over here as shown. Extinct volcanoes, inactive magma chamber. There is no expected to erupt the lava in these types of volcanoes. So extinct volcanoes are those which have not erupted in human history also. Now it's a time for your assessment. Choose the correct option. Number 1, the volcanoes in which the volcanoes continues are known as A. Active, B. Dormant, C. Extinct, D. Earthquake. So 4 options are given. You have to choose only one. Correct option is active. Number 2, in some volcanoes, the eruption of lava has stopped and there are no chances of eruption of lava in future. A. Fault, B. Extinct, C. Mountains, D. Earthquake. So correct answer is B. Extinct. 3 types of volcanoes. A. 6, B. 5, C. 2, D. 3. So which is the correct answer? 3. So type of volcanoes are 3. We have already discussed in this topic. Number 4. Dormant volcanoes are very A. Good, B. Dangerous, C. Volcanism, D. Pollution. So correct answer is B. Dangerous. Number 4. Fujiyama is an example of volcanoes. A. Dormant, B. Extinct, C. Fault, D. Active. So which is the correct answer? Active volcanoes. So Fujiyama is an example of active volcano. And now is the time for your homework assignment. Chapter number 1, Physical State of the Earth. Topic, Types of Volcanoes. Read the book page 11 and 12. Instructions regarding preparation of notebook. Step 1. Draw margin lines. Step 2. Write day and date. Step 3. Write topic of chapter. Step 4. Maintain notebook index regularly. Long question. Explain the types of volcanoes. Thank you so much for today's lesson. Allah Hafiz.